Hello, my name is John Kachol Majak, 24 years old, South Sudanese by nationality. I've completed my high school education and my dream is to become a public health worker. I'm currently living in a small town called Mangala here in South Sudan with the IDPs. These are people who have been affected by flood from their hometown, which is Bor, and they have been relocated and settled here in Mangala as IDPs. I'm working here with an organization called SUFEM, South Sudanese Fellowship Mission. This organization is funded by an international organization called NCA, Norwegian Church Aid. My position in this company, I am a volunteer, a gene promoter, and at the same time, team leader for all other gene promoters. My role and responsibility is to promote WASH, which is water sanitation and hygiene, and making sure that my community live in a disease-free environment. With the help of the company, I have engaged and participated in so many activities which encourage proper hygiene and sanitation practices, one of which is use of pit latrines rather than open defecation, use of hand washing facility, rubbish pit or dustbin, also drinking from safe water source using safe fishing containers. This is in order to prevent and control the spread of diseases, especially waterborne diseases like diarrhea, bilharzia, typhoid, and intestinal worms. With the help of organization, we are working hard to make sure that the community live healthy life, and this has inspired me because it has aligned with my career, and I'm now building my profession from my passion. I'm very sure that this project is going to have a positive impact on the community when it is successful, since it is going to innovate, evolve, and change my community. And running the project is a little bit tiresome as there is cultural norms which is interfering with hygiene and sanitation practices, and it needs adequate knowledge, more skills, creativity. All these have encouraged and motivated me to apply for Obama Foundation Scholars Program, as I'm going to meet with the first-class professors, also some successful leaders from the global, and this will pave a way for me to share ideas with them, also acquire new knowledge, more skills, and I'm very sure when I'm considered for this program, my community is going to really benefit from what I'm going to bring to them and my country at large. Thank you.